Have you ever looked closely at a piece of pocket change and realized it holds the story of a nation's dramatic fight for survival? Right here is a beautiful, crisp example of a 20 forint coin from Hungary. While it looks clean, modern, and striking, the history behind this currency system goes back to economic chaos, world wars, and a massive national comeback. Let's dive into the fascinating history, design elements, and hidden details of this Hungarian treasure. The birth of the forint, born from hyperinflation. To understand this 20 forint coin, we have to go back to 1946. World War II had left Hungary devastated. The country was buried under the worst hyperinflation ever recorded in human history. The currency at the time, the pengo, became entirely worthless. Prices were doubling every 15 hours. People needed literal wheelbarrows of cash just to buy a single loaf of bread. To save the economy from total collapse, the Hungarian government took a drastic step on August 1, 1946. They abolished the old currency and introduced a brand new system, the forint. The name forint actually comes from the famous gold coins of Florence, Italy, known as the Fiorino d'Oro, which were used centuries ago. The introduction of the stable, strong forint successfully stopped the hyperinflation nightmare and marked the beginning of a modern economic era for Hungary. Design and symbolism, a closer look. When you look closely at the reverse side displayed here, you can see a masterclass in clean, elegant, modern numismatic design. The denomination, prominently featured in the center, is a massive, stylized number, 20. The unique typography, with the sweeping tail of the 2 intertwining beautifully with the 0, gives it a distinct, artistic flair that stands out immediately in a collection. The text, below the giant digits, the word forint, is struck in bold, sharp, serif lettering. The mint mark, look directly beneath the word forint. You will notice 2 small letters, BP. This is the official mint mark for the Budapest Mint, Budapesti Pénzverő, which has been striking Hungary's coins for centuries. The border, encircling the entire composition, is a neat, dotted rim, which gives the coin a classic, framed aesthetic.